Auto sleep mode can be frustrating when it interrupts your gameplay, cutscenes, or videos on your Nintendo Switch. In this video, I'll show you how to disable it completely so your Switch stays awake until you decide to turn it off. Let's get started. Get your Nintendo Switch. On the home screen, go all the way to System Settings. Scroll down from here and find Sleep Mode. Then on the right side, you'll see two options: Auto Sleep, playing on console screen, and Auto Sleep, connected to TV. Select each one and change the setting to Never. Once you're done setting both of these options to Never, you're all good to go. Your Nintendo Switch will now stay on until you manually put it to sleep or turn it off. Just remember to manually turn off or sleep the console when you're done to save battery. And that's it. You've turned off auto sleep on your Nintendo Switch quickly and easily. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe for more quick Nintendo tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.